Hey, James from NatureSpy, and today we're talking about how to check the footage recorded, how to save footage, and how to share it from your NatureSpy Wi-Fi Wild Cam. Okay, so you tap your camera from the list, the one you want to have a look at, and it'll connect. You'll see playback here in the bottom corner. Remember, you must have a micro SD card if you want the camera to record and you want to access those recordings later. So you tap playback, and it will load the most recent clips. Here we can see there's a little dunnock that's pecking around this morning. So let's say I want to save this clip. I can start it again, and you can move around using this timescale here, and it will snap to the most recent events as you go through. So let's reverse to the start of that dunnock. I'm going to tap the record button. You can see the recording counter starts. Okay, I just want 5 seconds. And it says video saved to the app album. So you go back, and you see here there's a photo album. And you can see at the top there is our dunnock clip now saved to our phone. If I want to share that, just tap, and you can see there's a little share button at the bottom there. Tap that and you can share straight to WhatsApp, email, Facebook, whatever you want to do. And that's it. It's as simple as that.